Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase tickets for the Arc de Triomphe online. This is a very simple thing to do, and if you want to go ahead and skip all the annoying queues and long wait times, you can go ahead and purchase the tickets using the first link you're going to see right here down in the description of this video. Once you open up that link, it's going to take you to this page right here, to the official platform ticket page, where we can get started getting the tickets for rooftop access. So you can click the check availability option. That's going to enable you to take a look at all the available days that you can purchase the tickets for. Let's say you want to purchase them for the 12th right here. I'm going to select the date, and then I can go and select what ticket I want to get. Let's say one entrance ticket, and click next. You go to the experience page. On this page you can take a look at similar experiences you can save money on. If you're not interested, just go ahead and click no thanks, and then go to the personal details page. From where we can get started, you can go ahead and fill out your info, such as your first name, last name, email address, phone number. All of that is going to be available to fill out. Make sure that you fill it out correctly, after which we can click next to go to the payment page. From here we can get started. So you're going to be able to see all the payment methods available, such as Apple Pay, debit and credit card, or PayPal. Choose whichever one suits you the most. Let's say debit and credit card, and it's going to open up this menu from where we can get started filling out our card info. So once you filled out all your card info and click the pay button, you are going to be able to purchase the tickets successfully. And once you purchase your tickets, they are going to arrive on your email address that you have used for signing up your account on this platform and that you have filled out in the personal details page. So there you have it. Go down into the description of this video, find the link, open it up, and get started purchasing your tickets today. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.